Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a video on how to replace the grips of your double barrel 1911. This same video also applies for any traditional 1911 with traditional grips. We're going to be swapping out these blue ocean style grips for these new grips. First and foremost, we're going to clear the weapon and make sure it is empty of all ammunition. Now we grab our Allen key or hex key. At first it might be tough, but just unscrew the cap. Sometimes it might be tough because some of these screws have a little bit of thread lock on them. Not to worry, shouldn't be too difficult to remove them. Once both screws are off, now we can remove the panel. You remove the panel by applying pressure from inside the magazine well upwards. Sometimes it needs a little bit of tension, so you can use something as leverage, like this other Allen head, to loosen it up. Simply remove the panel, and there you go. I'm going to clean up the threads a little bit from the thread locker, and we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. Removing both screws, we start from the top, and then remove the one from the bottom. Applying the same pressure as we did on the other side to remove this grip panel. Now we can apply the new. Your new grips should apply just as easily as the other ones. Firmly apply pressure and make sure that all the seams are even. We'll replace the screws and tighten them by hand. Make sure not to over tighten, as over tightening can crack the acrylic on your new grips. Apply thread locker as needed. Repeat the process for the other side. Again, ensuring perfect alignment and no gaps between the grip and the pistol frame itself. Now, in most cases, for most 1911 models, replacing the grips is the exact same procedure, not just our APF exclusive double barrel 1911s. The grips on our website also fit standard 1911s. And there you go. New grips on your double barrel.